These factors, combined with the labor-intensive nature of the process, can make TIG welding less cost-effective for high-volume, low-margin production work. For industries that require high throughput, MIG or FCAW, flux-cored arc welding may be more cost-efficient due to their higher deposition rates and faster speeds. Despite these limitations, TIG welding remains a critical tool in industries that require high precision and quality. Aerospace, medical device manufacturing, automotive, and arc metalworking are just a few areas where TIG welding's unique qualities such as precision, cleanliness, and versatility are indispensable. Whether welding thin-walled tubes for an aircraft or constructing intricate sculptures, TIG welding's reputation for delivering high-quality results is unmatched. In conclusion, TIG welding is a process that offers exceptional precision, versatility, and clean welds for a variety of materials and applications. While it requires skilled operators and is more time-consuming than other welding techniques, the ability to control the heat input and produce strong, aesthetically pleasing welds makes it the preferred choice in industries where quality is the primary concern. Whether used in aerospace, automotive, or the creation of fine art, TIG welding remains an essential skill for welders seeking to produce the highest quality work. Despite the challenges it presents, the benefits of TIG welding, particularly in terms of weld strength, appearance, and material compatibility, make it a valuable process that will continue to play a significant role in manufacturing and fabrication for years to come. One of the key reasons why TIG welding is valued so highly in critical industries is due to its ability to produce a weld that exhibits minimal distortion. Distortion occurs when the heat from welding causes the material to expand and contract in uneven ways, which can lead to warping or bowing in the welded piece. With TIG welding, the welder has fine control over the heat input, allowing them to reduce the risk of distortion. This is especially important in industries like aerospace, where precision is paramount and even the smallest imperfections can compromise the integrity of the structure. By precisely controlling the amount of heat applied to the base material, TIG welders can minimize the amount of thermal stress experienced by the material, resulting in a more stable and dimensionally accurate weld. Additionally, TIG welding's ability to work with a wide variety of materials sets it apart from other welding processes. It excels when working with metals that have high melting points or are highly reactive with oxygen.